Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to study the difference between few, a few, little, and a little. Here we go. Few, a few. These two uh, expressions, few and a few, they are used for countable nouns. Mean they can be used before a countable noun to modify it, to describe it. A few signifies small, something small in number, but giving a positive sense. On the contrary, few denotes more of negative, though the number is small, but giving the sense of negative. Here are a few examples. I have a few friends in this town. However, I make my own arrangements during my stay here. So, meaning a few friends, there are some friends, uh, small in number, but there are some friends, giving a positive sense. See the difference. I have few friends in this town, therefore, I have to rely on my own resources, meaning not many. Here, in this sense, few means not many friends in this town. Another example, I have read a few books on this topic, mean giving a positive sense that I have read some books, though small in number. I have read few books on this topic, it means not many, giving a sense of negative. Here is another example. All I had a few hours of rest. Therefore, I was able to journey further. A few hours mean rest of some hours, so he was able to journey further. So it giving a positive sense. I had few hours of rest, therefore I felt very tired and could not journey further, mean not many hours, mean giving sense of negative. Here is about little and a little. Uh, as said earlier, few and a few are used for countable nouns. Little and a little are used for uncountable or non-count nouns. And in this case also, things are in small amount. In case of few and a few, things are in number, and in case of little and a little, things are given in the form of quantity, amount. So, a little, like a few, denotes something small in amount but giving a positive sense, whereas little denotes something not much and it shows a sense of negative. Here we go. Examples are, out of my busy life, I spare a little time for my kids, meaning some time. Mean I spare, giving a sense of some time, that some time for my kids, although small time. Out of my busy life, I spare little time for my kids, meaning not much, so giving a sense of negative dissatisfaction. The patient didn't eat anything but drank a little milk, meaning he drank some milk. Feeling drowsy and sedated, the patient could drink little milk, meaning not much, so giving a sense of negative. Use of only and quite with a little and a few. If only is placed before a little or a few, it emphasizes that amount or number is really small, that reduces its value or its amount or its number. Only a few of our customers have accounts, meaning very small number of account holders are customers. Only a little milk is available, therefore we can't make tea, mean less than needed. By using only with a few and with a little, we make a sense of something which is small or small in number or in quantity. We give further a sense of smallness, mean reduction in its intensity, mean their number and their amount. If quite is placed before a few or little, it increases the number considerably. Quite plays the role opposite to only. Only gives a sense of further smallness, and quite gives the sense of increase in the number of something. Here we go. I have quite a few books on art. It means some books, and it means enough books, you may say. Mean he feels a little satisfied that he has quite a few books on art. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep following my videos and my channel. Keep visiting it. I will be uploading more and more useful videos for you.